Moving on to question number 4 from the same exercise. The cost of a refrigerator is rupees 9,000. Its value depreciates at the rate of 5% every year. Find the total depreciation and its value at the end of 2 years. Now, the word depreciation is used out here, so you know you have to use depreciation formula. Here we won't be using growth formula. So that means we'll use the minus formula out here. Now what is given in the question? Very easy. Cost of a refrigerator. So the present cost is given as, present cost means V0 is given as 9,000. Rate of depreciation is given 5%. Time is given 2 years. So by the formula of depreciation, V is equal to V0, 1 minus R by 100. So children, remember, when depreciation is there, you'll use minus. When growth is there, you will use plus sign. 1 minus 5 by 100 whole square. So V is equal to 9,000. 1 minus 5 by 100 means 100 minus 5, that's 95 by 100 whole square. So V is equal to 9,000 into 95 by 100 into 95 by 100. After cancellation, I get V is equal to 8122.5. So that means the cost of the refrigerator after 2 years. So this was the present cost. So after 2 years, the cost of the refrigerator is 8122.50. See, the present value was 9,000. Refrigerator after 2 years is less than the present value. That means the value has depreciated. Just think of the same example. You have a refrigerator back at home, and when you bought the refrigerator brand new, it costed you something, and then after 2 years or after 3 years you want to sell it off. Naturally, the cost of that refrigerator won't be same. It's going to decrease. It's going to depreciate. So similarly out here also, 9,000 was the present cost. After using the formula, after cancellation, after calculating the entire thing, I get the value as this. So this is less than this. Now what does my question demand? My question says that find the total depreciation in its value. That means they are asking you to find out how much value it has depreciated. So that means how will you find out? You will subtract the present cost minus the cost of the refrigerator after 2 years. So the total depreciation will be 9,000 minus 8122.50. That is rupees 877.50. So this is the value that has been depreciated from the original value. So children, try to identify whether you will use depreciation formula or you'll use growth formula out in this chapter. Otherwise, from this chapter you don't have any other formula. Only these two formulas basically you have to remember. If you remember the growth formula, you can easily remember depreciation formula. For growth it is plus, for depreciation it's minus. Just from the question you have to identify whether it's a growth question or a depreciation question. Any doubts? Please let me know.